Welcome to Jigsaw Property Care in Cheshire, the first choice for homeowners, landlords, commercial tenants and owners and letting agents throughout the northwest of England.
We have maintained a reputation for reliable, meticulous, prompt work and excellent value for a loyal and growing client base. Our team are highly skilled, uniformed and vetted professional tradesmen who are on hand to provide a solution to a comprehensive range of jobs, from handyman work to interior and exterior refurbishments on period and modern properties, including plumbing and electrical work, decorating, energy assessments and planned grounds maintenance works. We can provide a 24-hour emergency service available and all work is guaranteed. We look forward to supplying you with a free, no-obligation quote, whatever your property maintenance requirements.
Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 01625 460 877.